3 in the morning. There's a 15-minute candle. Still testing this 15-minute range breakout. Looks like it's already broken out. This zone right here is from the 15-minute yesterday, which is this candle here at the open. So you got this candle here, that's 30-minute, and that's the hour. So basically, that 15-minute candle was almost the same as the 30-minute and, of course, the hour. So, but I'm still testing this 15-minute zone. Looks like the levels work out pretty good. I think all the zones work out pretty good as far as the 15, 30, and the hour. The hour gives you a much bigger range with safer trades. And the 15-minute levels, I'm still testing those out so far. They work out pretty good. So you can see we got the 15-minute here. So this is the open. This is the low of the day. We are at R1, past R1. R2 is right here, so we should be able to hit that, so close to it. Let me go ahead and mark up the zone for today. So what I do is go to the drawing tool. Region highlight. I'm going to highlight. So far, that is our zone. That is the 15-minute zone for today. I'm going to see what type of trades we can get in. 844. I'm in the rocket scalp. 5 micros. 15 take profit. 45 stop loss. Of course, I'm going to move that. But let's see if we can get some trades in. Right now, we haven't broken out yet. 845. The new 15-minute candle is formed. Many different ways to trade the system or these levels. Just got to find out what's best for you. All I have on here is the 15-minute candles. I've got the 10 EMA. I mean, not the 10, the 9 exponential moving average. It's the faster moving average, since I just want to see what direction. So with this here, all you would do is buy. If it goes below it, you would just sell it. But it doesn't dictate my trades. I still take buys and sells above it, just depending where it is. I'm just reading the price. So you can see after that first 15 minutes, now we're just in a range. We may just be in a range the rest of the day, just because we do have, what is it? There's a major announcement this afternoon. So 847, we are not. We are in a range, extreme high. So far, it's doing the same thing it did yesterday. Let's go look at it. So this is the 15, and then we just ranged until the afternoon, until it broke out and just kept going higher. So because we've had a bullish market ever since the election. Let's see. This was Wednesday's move. This was the election. It just kept going up from there. You can see that move right there. This was Wednesday. It's Tuesday, and that's Monday. Tuesday, and then the overnight election, that market just jumped up, and we're still going up. 21,106. So right now we're just in the zone. So it may be just like yesterday's price action. 15-minute, tried to make a breakout. It did not. We just stayed in the zone, the 15-minute zone for a while, and that was a scalping day because there was really no breakout. And then of course the afternoon, this came and it just went grinded higher. So the safer bet is just to take the buy trades, but when you're a scalper, you take what you see, and sometimes you think too much when you're scalping. Just gotta. Excuse me. We are 850. Yep, maybe a range day. So let's go to this and see if we can pick up some trades.
Order filled.
That's a pullback trade. Got to stop right below the price line here.
Target filled.
So we're just going to scalp. Swing high extreme here. We are still in the 15-minute range. And yeah, we're just going to scalp. The 5 contracts, 37 bucks. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go 10 micros. Triangle, got 30, lower high. Of course, you could scalp here and just take all the buys since the blue line's up here. So
order filled.
move this down here.
Order submitted.
Buy another 10, so we have an up move, but it is very, very slow. Very slow. Since we're focusing on buys until we actually have a
target filled.
So there's, I'm going by
order
this
filled.
swing high extreme. What's up here? That's the 15-minute IBR. I hate the way this is set up. Let's see here. As you can see that. And of course, this is the
Target
Euro
filled.
chart. So we want a couple trades. Just scalping. What am I scalping? 15, 10. Since we don't have a lot of movement,
Order canceled.
got a divergence here. I'm gonna take a quick scalp on the
Order
downside.
filled.
Just taking little movements. We have not broken out. We're still in this zone here. I hate the way this lines up. I'm gonna move this stop here, right above the swing high. So I still take my trades off of this. This shows the setup.
Target
There
filled.
goes another setup. Got a lower high, or I've learned to scalp off of this also. So right now we are in the zone. Yeah, hate the way this is. See here. Okay, that's better. Right now we're in the 15-minute zone. Looks like we're going to be in the zone for a while, like yesterday. Yesterday's zone. Just trade in the zone. When that happens, you just scalp. So I'm only scalping 10. So you can scalp either way. I mean, we're at the top, so the safer trade is to, when you're in the zone, you just sell up here and buy down here and just read the price action. And if you have this chart, I mean, look at that. That's a divergence there. It doesn't decide where to go. We have not broken the swing high extreme. That is the top of the IBR. Looks like we're trying to go there.
Order filled.
Got some momentum going up there. Since we're so close up here, I should take it out. If you can look at the 15
Target
minute,
filled.
there it goes, just hit it. So you can just learn to scalp like this. I mean, this helps, but if you learn how to reprice, right now we're in the zone, we're just scalping. We have not broken out yet. So right now I'm scalping 10, and it's basically about one contract as far as the the regular Nasdaq, NQ. So if that happens, let's just see if we can see some setups. Swing high extreme. See if it gives us a little signal to go short. But we're so close here, we may break out here. Let's see. I've learned how to scalp off this market here, off this chart. Above the blue line, you're just looking for buy setups, below it, sells. But once you learn, okay, there it goes. So we'll go ahead and take a quick
Order
scalp
filled.
on the upside.
Target
There it
filled.
goes. Now we got a new swing high extreme. We're going to R2. It really hasn't given us a breakout. So I'm going to take a quick
Order
sell on
filled.
the downside. Even if we get there, I'm going to go ahead and put another.
Target filled.
There's another trade. See, after that big old move, it's just going to range here. It may break out here, but it's probably going to go back into the zone. So just looking for setups right here. I hate the way this swing high extreme. See if it gives us a little signal to go short here. As you can see right here, we're almost at R2. And all we're looking for on these scalps is 15 ticks, which that is nothing for NQ. We
Order
just hit
filled.
that R2. Usually when it breaks out,
Target
it breaks
filled.
out pretty fast. So we got a little scalp there. Let's look at this chart. So once you learn how to read this, I mean, this helps. The green shows you the buyers are in control. So far we're at 545 just scalping. And I'm using 10, that's like equivalent to 1 NQ. Still going higher. So you can see we have broken out, but we really have not taken off, so I don't think we will. So what we're going to do is just be a contrarian trader. But you got to be careful when you're trying to short on bullish moves. There goes a new high. There's the next 15. We are at 9 o'clock, so really there wasn't a breakout. Usually it'll run faster.
Order filled.
Scalp on the downside. Go ahead and move this. We're just going to scalp. So the market's not moving very much. Why did I scalp? Because the zone's right here. Expect that to make a retest. It's just gonna play around here. I've learned how to use this chart, but just taking little bits from the market here.
Target filled.
There you go. We had another one. We're up 6:15. It's 9 o'clock. So that's a 15-minute. Yeah, the 30-minute candle's really not that big. You can see that's the 30-minute range. So I'm going to move this up to the 30-minute range. We're right now on top of it. I'm going to leave it at the 15 for now. That way I can see the levels here. See if we could pick up a few more scalps. Then we'll be done. Swing high extreme. Let's see here.
Order filled. Target filled.
You could also take that as a pullback.
Order filled. Order filled.
Pullback. See it here.
Target filled.
Pullback trade. Close that out.
Order filled.
8:15. Yeah, so that is the 15-minute IBR. Since we didn't really have a breakout, I just took some scalps and we got 8:15 using the 15-minute IBR. So today we did not have a breakout. That's the 15-minute range. I believe it's just going to be like yesterday's moves on the 15. You had this sort of price action, came back into the zone and just hanged around there. So that would be a scalping day, not a holding day. Looks like today's also a scalping day, not a holding day. And right now you're at R2. So if you want to hold, if you're a holder, I would. R3's here. That is another big move. So, but we got news, so we may not be able to get another. Yeah, I would just scalp this market today using this 15-minute range and just taking what the market gives you. So the indicators I have on here, this is the open, this is the low of the day. Of course, we're at the high of the day right now. This is the 15-minute zone. I'm going to leave that there. And with just the open, the scalps, we're at 8:15. And of course, I'm just testing this out. Scalping the 10 micros, 45 and 15.